Hello, everyone. I'm Damon Lawson. I'm the Director of Business Development at Splink. And Splink, as you may know, is a company that's really working on AI technology, database management systems. So we're currently using a lot of data to determine an early detection of dementia. And one of the things that we've learned over the time is that taking these large volumes of data is tremendously time-consuming and takes a lot of human resources. So we're working right now on this middle section here, which is the data management tool, which is going to allow us to automate a lot of the data processing, which we expect to help other companies as well as ourselves analyze the data and actually process the data so that we can utilize it significantly faster. So this is one example of some of the data. So we're using MRI imaging data. And when you look at the actual data, what you'll find is a lot of variability. And we're working right now on some technology that will allow us to stratify this and to fix any of the corrections of the issues that we would find in that data. So the main thing that we're doing with this data warehouse part of it is that we're going to standardize the imaging. We're going to identify that data, so take out all of the patient data so that we can actually utilize it, and then actually create simplified dashboards and search engines so that you can easily manage the large volume of data. We're currently working with a large number of hospitals across Japan, as well as some industry providers to help us grow this business. We believe that with this new area that we're looking at, that there's two different business models that we have. One is coming from the medical institutions that would want to utilize our software to manage their large databases. And also we believe that there are some users in the pharma and the med tech that will also be able to use this for some of the data catalogs that we're creating. Right now, we're currently waiting for data from the Mayo Clinic. We haven't gotten that yet, so we haven't been able to progress quite as quickly as we had hoped. But our plan is still by the end of this year to have a proof of concept, and we expect to get into revenue generation in 2026. Hopefully, we can grow this business to around $20 million in 2030. One of the things that we'd like to get out of this partnership is the fact that we're working with Mayo Clinic. We think that we have some technology that can help the Mayo Clinic, as well as the Mayo Clinic helping us. So we have two different areas that we're working on. The left side is the brain imaging software for the early detection of dementia, and then the right side is what I have been referring to, which is the data management. Our management team is here today. There's three of us that will be available after this meeting to talk to you about our technology. And finally, our vision is still to create a nice continuum of care for the patient journey, but our focus is really going to stay on the dementia area, using AI to create a database and create an algorithm to allow us to have early detection of dementia in patients worldwide. So thank you very much.